The download rclone. Open your browser and search for rclone. Open first website. Click on Downloads. Select rclone version according to your system. Open zip file. Drag rclone folder on desktop. Open the folder. Type cmd and hit enter. Type rclone version. Type rclone config. To add new remote, type n and hit enter. Give name for your drive. Find your drive type and enter its number. If default value is given, you can press enter to continue. To give full access of your drive, use first option. Select your account. Give permission to access your drive. If you want to use Team Drive, then type Y and press enter. Now select which Team Drive you want to use. Press enter. To quit from rclone config, press Q and hit enter. In similar way you can add different type of drives. To find config file location, open rclone folder. Type cmd and hit enter. Type rclone config file. Copy file path. Open File Explorer and paste the copied path. Remove rclone.config from end of the path and hit enter. Copy file and paste on desktop. Here is your rclone config file.